of photoelectric cell. So student, this is the photoelectric cell assembly. Here is only, this is the photoelectric assembly. Here is only we have to use lamp and internal connection is completed, keeping your mind. This is the voltmeter and this is the microampere. This is on and off switch. This is the initiate to lamp. We have to connect here. Here is lamp, but here is not lamp now. So when we have to start the experiment, when and position is on position, so to detect the reading by using the voltmeter and millimeter. So student, already you have to know photoelectric cell. The principle of photoelectric cell, energy increases or energy is directly proportional to increase the electric, or energy is converted into electrical energy. So listen here student, characteristic of photoelectric cell. This is the simple diagram of the photoelectric cell, and in this diagram we have to in this experiment, characteristic of photoelectric cell, we have to use the variable of power supply. So this is the power supply we have to use. This is the power supply, and then photoelectric cell kit we have to use. This is the photoelectric cell kit. Then this is the microampere. This is the voltmeter. Instead of voltmeter we have to use multimeter and photoelectric setup. This is the photoelectric setup. The principle of the photoelectric cell, electrical energy is converted into light energy converted into electrical energy. This is the important, keeping your mind. This is the statement of photoelectric cell. Light energy converted into electrical energy. On this particular statement, question arises in your view of examination as like a MCQ. This is the statement of photoelectric cell. So when we have to start this experiment, we will take simple reading here. Suppose this is the observation and calculation effect of intensity of light on the photoelectric current. When current flowing through the circuit internally, so at that time this light is glow. So how many times light glow? So when light glow, at that time what is the voltage and what is the current? We have to measure with the help of voltmeter and with the help of micrometer. This is the simple technique. So here students, listen here, distance between centimeter. So light we will take in this way. So light falls on the metal plate, or light falls on the anode, or light falls on the metal plate to emit the electrons. That emitting electrons is called photoelectrons, and this whole assembly is called photoelectric effect. And therefore we can say that the statement of the photoelectric cell, light energy converted into electrical energy. So here is, we will take light and light connected to the photoelectric cell kit, and when we have to take away from the kit, this light away from the kit, so light glow. At that time light falls on the metal plate, so very light glow on the photoelectric cell. So here we will take reading, applied voltage. This is the 5.9, this is the constant voltage, and we will take reading. Suppose this is 7.5 reading, then our current we will pass 6.5 microampere. Then again we have to take the difference, distance between light and photoelectric kit is 7.9. So at that time light glow. So light glow, it means that current is 5.2 microampere. So light, the distance increases to decrease the light, decrease the current, keeping your mind. Length or distance increases to decrease the current. So this is the first part, when we have to keep voltmeter is constant. Here we will see only light glow or not, keeping your mind. After second part, we will take distance is fixed or distance is constant to measure the applied voltage by using this voltmeter, and this is the micrometer, keeping your mind. So this is the micrometer. We have to take current, how many current pass when light glow and light falls on the metal plate to image the electrons, keeping your mind. So here is applied voltage is 0.2, then current is 1.5, 0.5 applied voltage second reading में 2 0. So here is distance increases, applied voltage increases to increase the current, keeping your mind. Second part, when we have to fix or constant distance at that time, voltage increases to increase the current. So in this way we will take 1 to 10 reading or 1 to 5 reading. So in the first part distance increases to decrease the current, and in second part voltage increases to decrease the to increase the current by using the photoelectric cell. So in this way we will take 5 to 10 readings in one part, and graph is plotted along the x-axis and y-axis, keeping your mind. Graph is plotted along the x-axis and y-axis. In x-axis we will take distance and y-axis take current, so that is microampere, and this is the d distance in centimeter for first part. In second part, and our graph is plotted along x-axis and y-axis as like a curve, keeping your mind, curve type graph. Then in second part, graph is plotted along the x-axis and y-axis. In x-axis we will take voltage and y-axis we will take current, and graph is plotted in a straight line, keeping your mind. So here is both graph is important for your graph examination, and here is the simple technique when light glow and light falls on the metal plate to emit the electrons, keeping your mind. So student, this is our experiment number 6 by using the photoelectric cell kit. This is kit is very important, and any light you have to use to glow or to emit the electrons by using this photoelectric kit. So here is important is photoelectric cell. The statement of photoelectric cell, light energy converted into electrical energy, and here instrument is this whole photoelectric cell assembly, and one more light, very short light, and so on. So student, I will take this experiment number 6 and complete properly. This reading is very simple, very same, and we have to perform this in this way by using this instrument. So now I stop here. We will take, this is the simple connection. Here is voltmeter, micrometer, and this is the light, and this light falls on the metal plate here. So this is the simple circuit, keeping in mind. That's all.